everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to win in Hard Rock Bet app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, pick the sport or event you want to bet on. Tap the match or game to see all available betting options. It's best to focus on sports or games you know well. Knowledge helps you make smart bets. Before placing a bet, check the odds. Odds show how likely an outcome is and how much you can. Lower odds usually means safer bets, while higher odds can give bigger payouts but are riskier. Tap on the team or outcome you want to bet on. It will appear in your bet slip at the bottom. Enter the amount you want to and make sure it fits your budget. Responsible betting is key to winning over time. If available, you can use features like profit boost or bonus bets to increase your potential wins. Activate them carefully, they can make your bet more profitable. After placing your bet, check your open bets in the app, watch the games or events and track results. Being informed helps you plan future bets better. When you win, go to wallet or cashier to cash out your winnings. You can also use your winnings for more bets if you want. And that's all. While there is no guaranteed way to win, using knowledge, odds and features like profit boost wisely can increase your chances. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.